Miss Emberglo, Scott and Sandy's 66. Gonna be doing some upgrades finally. Power disc brake conversion time. Gotta give a huge shout out to our buddy Allan over at Mustang Country International. Always getting us the kit when we need it. Anything Mustang, Allan's the guy to get the parts from. Give him a call. Back here on Miss Emberglo, we're getting ready to do our disc brake conversion, and that's not good. So, got our drum off, which is loose on the hub, which is kind of scary. So next step's gonna be take all the backing plates, all this stuff off, undo the lines, and then we'll go do the other side. So we've got our drum assembly off. It's just 4 9/16 nuts on the back side, along with the bracket and the line. You had to undo the hard line, and then the caliper, your spindle basically looks like that. And you put on your bracket. And remember, these are labeled left and right. So put on your splash shield, and there's 4 nuts and 4 bolts. And away we go. All right, we've got our rotor on. Bearings are all packed. Everything is nice and tight. She rolls real nice. Good stuff. Come out our caliper. Yep, same as the other side. And that should not be. All right, continuing on here on Scott and Sandy's Mustang, we've pulled the old master out. As you can see, it's out. I've got the new booster ready to go. We're actually mounting up the bracket for the booster right now. Had to, of course, on your proportioning block, you need to take out the main feed, which, being a single bowl, that was it up here. And then you have to put a plug in back here after removing the line for the rear. You plug that off, and this becomes the proportioning block for the front with this flex line here. And the rears go into the adjustable proportioning valve, which you'll see here in a little bit. All right, got our booster mounted, our master's in. All of our hard lines are done. Got everything mounted up under the dash. We bench bled the master actually on the car because it's way easier. And everybody's like, "No, you can't do that." Yeah, guess what? Yeah, you can. Been doing it for years. Anyway, so gonna get in the car and pump, and Wes is gonna be under the car cracking. Yeah. Yay. You old brake fluid. Yucky.
Yeah, that's not dip either.
Yeah, that looks like
Tea.
That looks like tea, like really dark tea.
Mm-hmm.
That's still better than the orange Gatorade we got out of Steve's.
That's true.
That shit was gross. Alright, driving around with the new front discs. After we initially bled them, we did have to take and adjust the push rod between the master and the booster due to there was a lot of extra end play, and no matter what they say, it's like, oh, they're adjusting from factory and all this. No, they're not. They're definitely way off. You got to do a little trial and error. So you got to make sure you got like a quarter drive 1/16 on it. So you can pull the master off and then adjust that push rod out. I went out about 2 turns. It's really good. We also made sure our rear brakes were nice and adjusted. Yeah, everything seems pretty good. It definitely drives like a 66 Mustang would from the factory with OE power discs. You know, the Kelsey Hayes 4-piston power disc. It's good to go. I mean, I'm gonna go up and down the street here real quick, and then I'm gonna have Scott give it a shot. But you know, they always had that feel. You know, it's not like a brand new car where it's rock hard vacuum all the time. You know, but it still drives really nice. Definitely uncovers the free play in the steering now that we have front brakes that work.